of the e-learning program. I want you to sit down comfortably as we take you on number work. Now, before we take you on the second week's number work, I want to remind us of what we learned in our first week. We learned about numbers, counting numbers 1 to 50 and how to write them. You remember that? Now, that brings us to our second week lesson, which the topic, even numbers. What is even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers that can be divided by 2. I take it again. Even numbers are those numbers that can be divided by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. How did we get these even numbers? Now let's work it out. Here, you jump 1 and get to 2. 2 is an even number. You jump another number, which is 3, and go to 4. 4 is an even number. You jump another one. Can you tell me the number we're going to jump now? We're going to jump 5 and go to 6. 6 is an even number. Now we'll jump another number, which is 7, and go to 8. 8 is an even number. Now jump another number. Can you say it out? We'll jump 9 and go to 10. 10 is an even number. Which other number can you jump, children? We jump 11 and go to 12. Are you there with me? Now, tell me the number you jump again and get the even number. We'll jump 13 and go to 14. Okay? Are you there with me? Which other number will you jump to get your even number? We'll jump 15 and go to 16. Here we have the 16. Which number will you jump again? You jump 17 and get your 18. 18 is an even number. Which other number will you jump? Are you with me? Let's go. We'll jump 19 and go to 20. We'll also jump 21 and go to 22. 22 is an even number. We'll also jump 23 and go to 24. 24 is an even number. Now, for it to be easier, I want you to count and skip all those numbers we did here on the board to get your even number. These even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2. We have some exercises here on the board which we are going to do together here in the class. Are you there? Now sit comfortably as you listen. Watch as we write down our even numbers. Are you there? Here we have 1. 1 is not an even number. So here we're going to find the even number we're going to put here. What is that number? 2 is an even number. 3 is not an even number. So what even number is missing? 4 is an even number. The next one is 5. 5 is not an even number. The next one is 6. 6 is an even number. And how do we write the 6? More to zoom and close it. We have the next number. 7 is not an even number. 8 is an even number. Let's write it down. 9 is not an even number. You jump 9 and write the next number, which is 10. 10 is an even number. Now, the next one is 11. 11 is not an even number. Let's find out the even number here. After 11, what will you get? 12. 12 is an even number. The next one is 13. 13 is not an even number. Remember, even numbers are those numbers that can be divided by 2. Now after 13, we have the next one, which is 14. 14 is an even number. And the next one is 15. 15 is not an even number. It cannot divide itself by 2. Now we jump it and go to the next one. And the next one is what? 16. 16 is an even number. 16. After 16 is 17. 17 is not an even number. It cannot divide itself. So here we have 18. 18 is an even number. We cannot divide 17 by 2. Now we go to 18. 18 can be divided by 2. 19 cannot be divided by 2. Now the next number after 19 is 20. 20 can be divided by 2. And after 20 we have 21. 21 cannot be divided by 2. After 21, which number will you get again? We have 22. 22 can divide itself by 2. And after that, here we have 3. 3 cannot be divided by 2. So here we have 24. Are you there with me? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Now we are going to give you some exercises which you're going to do at home. And if you have any question, always write us. We'll be there to answer you. Thank you. Okay, children, here is our Nursery 1 Mastering Mathematics. I want you to open to page 46 and do the exercises on even numbers there. If you have any question, you can always write us. We are always there to attend to your questions. And the next one, the counting of numbers, I want you to go to page 50 and also do those counting of numbers. Answer the questions at home and write to us. If you have any issue, we are always there to help you. Children, please stay at home and stay safe. I am your teacher, Obi. Bye-bye.